Welcome to the majestic Buvan E7001. Stylish, comfort, and completely part of your life. In this video, you will see assembly of the wheelchair, controller, charging process. Place the car on the ground. Hold the back tube in one hand. Hold the cushion with one hand and open it firmly until the vehicle is fully opened. Insert one end of the extension tube of the controller into the ring hole of the handrail tube on the right side of the vehicle. Then tighten the plum blossom knob, pushing the power cable backwards to reach the straight state. After the vehicle is opened, there is a U-shaped lock on the rear of the vehicle. Please lock the buckle. After the vehicle is fully opened, please adjust the frame support tube to the position. When the electric wheelchair malfunctions or the battery is exhausted, it is necessary to switch the wheelchair to manual mode, electric mode to manual mode. Pull the left and right clutch handles inward. Manual mode to electric mode. Pull the left and right clutch handles outward. Folding armrests. Press the button on the side of the armrest and lift it up. Then press it down and set it to the same position. The new style battery is a quick release style. Simply press and hold the button on the bottom, disconnect the power cord, and the battery can be easily removed. Easy to carry and convenient for convenient charging. Controller. Battery display. Wheelchair power start switch. Horn. Speedometer. Deceleration adjustment switch. Acceleration adjustment switch. Turn on the power switch button. The power indicator light from the left to the right in turn, and the buzzer has a click sound. The controller power is normal. Power off the controller. Press the power switch button. All LED lights on the panel are off. The controller has no output. According to the user's habits and environment, the user can adjust the maximum speed of the electric wheelchair. The currently selected maximum speed is displayed on the 5-speed speedometer, and the speed button can be used to accelerate the button to adjust the speed. The speed is divided into 5 segments, from the lowest speed of 20%, 40%, 60%, 80%, 100%, a total of 5 segments. Press the horn button and the horn will sound until you release the button. The battery fuel gauge is used to show that the power of the electric wheelchair is turned on, and the battery fuel gauge can also display the current predicted value of the remaining battery power. When all LEDs are on, the battery is fully charged. Only the yellow or red LED lights up, which means that the battery needs to be charged before long-distance driving. It is best to charge first. If only the red LED is on, the battery is extremely low. It's best to charge as soon as possible. The direction of movement of the rocker can direct the direction of movement of the electric wheelchair. The movement of the joystick will determine the speed of the electric wheelchair in that direction. Charging batteries. Be certain that the controller is turned off and the wheelchair is not in freewheel mode. Connect the 3-pin metal plug of the charger into the 3-hole charge socket on the controller. Insert the input plug of the charger into the wall electrical outlet. Lighting of the red LED on the charger shows that the charging is in progress. The green LED on the charger lights when the batteries are fully charged. Suggest 8 to 12 hours per charge. Folding and storing a wheelchair. Shut down the power. Flip up handle. To pull the seat base up from its middle. And then fold the wheelchair.